Good day, students. I hope you are healthy, wealthy, and wise. Students, we have to focus upon certain questions. We have to solve some difficult questions which are given not in NCERT. It is given especially in R.S. Agrawal and R.D. Sharma. Some special types of questions are there, so you have to solve those questions and practice it as much as possible. You know, the more you practice, the more you gain. So keeping this view in your mind, we have to practice some additional questions which is not given in our NCERT. But these are based on NCERT. Some difficult questions are given and standard difficulty level. On the basis of difficulty level, some of the questions are there, especially in R.S. Agrawal and R.D. Sharma. So we will discuss each type of questions so that it may be possible for you to attempt all types of questions from time to time. So for that purpose, we have to discuss other types of questions which are especially given in our side books and sample papers. So let us start without wasting time. You may observe some of the solutions are here, and one by one we will try to discuss about how to solve such type of questions. So let us see what happens and how we are able to solve. Let us see. Students, it is given here the value of x. What value of x is there? It is equal to 4 minus under root 15. So we have to find the value of, firstly, x plus 1 upon x. What value of x plus 1 upon x is there? Then we have to find what value of x minus 1 upon x is there. Then we have to find out what value of x square plus 1 upon x square is there. Similarly, we will calculate what value of x square minus 1 upon x square is there. In the same way, we have to find out value of x to the power 4 minus 1 upon x to the power 4. In the same pattern, we have to find the value of x to the power 4 plus 1 upon x to the power 4. Like that, the power will be increased, and what method is adopted we have to discuss here. So firstly, we have to start our journey. So firstly, we have to note down what value of x is there. So ultimately it is given here x minus under root 15. So what will be value of 1 upon x? It will be noted down 1 upon the value of x, and what value of x is there? 4 minus under root 15. You may observe here at this level denominator is not rationalized, but our prime function is there. First at all, we have to rationalize denominator to simplify this fraction. So what to do? We have to find out rationalizing factor of 4 minus under root 15, and you know the rationalizing factor of 4 minus under root 15 is 4 plus under root 15. Now this rationalizing factor will be multiplied into numerator as well as denominator. This 4 plus under root 15 is called conjugate. Conjugate, it is also called conjugate. So with this conjugate, we have to multiply numerator as well as denominator, because in fraction, if a fraction is given and if you multiply with a fixed number to numerator as well as denominator, so there will not be any impact upon the value of numerator and denominator here, because this will cancel to this one, and what value will be there? Ultimately it will be 1 upon 4 minus under root 15. So these are essential things, and you have to follow this. Without these essential facts, we cannot proceed in solving such questions. So fundamental principles will be kept in mind, only then we can solve such type of questions. Now see, if we multiply 4 plus under root 15, I told you to keep in bracket because this one is binomial, this one is binomial, this one is also binomial. So these will be kept inside the bracket. Although here bracket is not there, but before rationalizing the denominator, when we are going to multiply with rationalizing factor of denominator, so we have to multiply both numerator and denominator, but these rationalizing factor will be kept where? Inside the bracket. So for this purpose, a bracket, closed bracket is needed for here also. Now observe here, this one is 4 plus under root 15. How? Because if 4 plus under root 15 is multiplied by 1, it will be 1 multiplied by 4, it will be 4. 1 multiplied by under root 15, it will be under root 15 plus 1 and plus under root 15. So plus into plus it will be plus. So this will be 4 plus under root 15. Now see here it is noted down 4 minus under root 15, and here it is noted down 4 plus under root 15. And you have read an identity before, if x minus y and x plus y is there, it will be equal to x square minus y square. X is the symbol of first term and y is the symbol of second term. This one is the symbol of first term, this one is symbol of second term. So this will be noted down 4 plus under root 15 upon square of first term. Square of first term is 4 square minus square of second term, it is under root 15 whole square. Now we have to simplify. Since these two are what? Unlike terms. So we cannot simplify or add 4 plus under root 15. So this will be noted down as it is. So it will be 4 plus under root 15. Now square of 4 is 16 and square of under root 15 is 15 itself. So this is 16 minus 15. 16 minus 15 will become what? It will be upon 1, and anything upon 1 is not written. So this will be noted down 4 plus under root 15 and 16 minus 15 is 1, and upon 1 is not written. So this will be simplified form of 1 upon x. What value of 1 upon x is here? 4 plus under root 15. This is the value of 1 upon x. After rationalizing denominator, 4 plus under root 15. Now we have to find the value of x plus 1 upon x. How to find? Firstly we have to select the value of x. Then we have to add the value of 1 upon x, and both are given. The value of x is given in question and 1 upon x we have to calculate. Both of the value will be substituted here in the place of x and 1 upon x. So what value of x is here? It is 4 minus under root 15. This is the value of x. Plus, what is next value? 1 upon x is 4 plus under root 15. Just we have calculated the value of 1 upon x. Now see, this will become, after breaking the bracket, we have to simplify. Before this bracket, plus sign is there. If plus sign is there, so no change in sign will be there inside. It will be 4 minus under root 15. Before this bracket, again plus sign is there. So again no change inside the bracket will be there in sign. So it will be 4 plus under root 15. It's equal to what? What will be there? Now follow here. Now this minus under root 15 will cancel to plus under root 15. Same thing plus, same thing minus. It will be cancelled here. If both are cancelled, what is remaining? 4 here and 4 here. So 4 plus 4 becomes 8. It means what? X plus 1 upon x equals 8. Now we have calculated the value of x plus 1 upon x. Sometimes it is given x and we have to find value of x plus 1 upon x. So we have to adopt this method. Again, some of the more questions are here. Now we will put here what value of x plus 1 upon x is there. So x plus 1 upon x equals 8, and this will be behaved as equation number 1, because this one is required in solving other parts. So you will keep this one, x plus 1 upon x equals 8. This one is equation number 1. And this is the value of x plus 1 upon x when the value of x equals 4 minus under root 15. Now go to other parts also. Now we have to find the value of x minus 1 upon x. So firstly we have to put in first bracket, we have to put the value of x, that is 4 minus under root 15. Again minus is there, and we have to keep the value of 1 upon x inside the bracket, because binomial is there. If binomial is there, to be keep inside the bracket, so it will be minus 4 plus under root 15. This is the value of x, and this is value of 1 upon x. In between minus sign is there, because here x minus 1 upon x is here. Now let us simplify. What happens? We have to break the bracket. Before first bracket, positive sign. Before second bracket, it is negative sign. What will happen? If before the bracket positive sign is there, so there would not be any change in sign inside the bracket. This will be plus and this will be minus. No change will be there. But before this bracket, minus sign is there. So due to this minus sign, sign of 4 and sign of under root 15 will be changed. It is positive, it will become negative. This one is positive, so this will become negative. Why? Because before this bracket minus sign is there. If before the bracket minus sign is there, what to do? We have to change the sign inside the bracket. If plus sign is there, so that will be converted into minus. If minus sign already is there, so that will be converted into plus. So after simplifying, what is there? X minus 1 upon x equals, this bracket will be broken. Before this bracket positive sign, so inside no change, 4 minus under root 15, but both the sign will be changed because of this minus sign. So it will be minus 4 minus under root 15. Now observe which terms are cancelled here. Same thing plus and same thing minus. Both will be cancelled here. Now what is remaining here? This one is minus under root 15 and this one is also minus under root 15. So 1 minus 1 under root 15 and minus 1 under root 15. What will be there? It will be minus 2 under root 15. Is it clear? Now the value of x minus 1 upon x is minus 2 under root 15. Now this will be behaved as equation number 2. What was known here? It was known the value of x, and we have calculated the value of x plus 1 upon x, and that we have calculated 8. Similarly, we have calculated the value of x minus 1 upon x. It gives the result minus 2 under root 15. In this way, we have calculated both the values x plus 1 upon x and x minus 1 upon x. On the basis of equation number 1 and equation number 2, we can calculate other values also. So equation number 1 is squaring both the sides. Equation number 2 is squaring both the sides. Both can be taken, but you will take only one. Either squaring x plus 1 upon x both of the sides, or squaring x minus 1 upon x both of the sides. What will be there? Firstly, we have to take equation number 1. So from equation number 1 we have what value? X plus 1 upon x equals 8. Now how many sides are there? You may observe here. This one is left hand side and this one is right hand side. Squaring on both the sides, left hand side as well as right hand side. Squaring both the sides. If you are going to square the equation, it will be square of left hand side as well as square of right hand side. So square of left hand side is x plus 1 upon x to the power 2, and square of right hand side is 8 to the power 2. You may observe here. Now x plus 1 upon x whole square, this is in the form of x plus y or a plus b whole square. How can we expand a plus b whole square? So that will be equal to a square plus b square plus twice ab. A square is the symbol of first term, square of first term, b square means square of second term, 2ab means twice into the value of first term into second term. So this will be square of first term is square of x square plus square of second term, that will be 1 upon x square plus 2 into first term into second term. At this stage equal to square of 8 is 8 8 is 64. It means we have to again simplify, and what will be there? This x will cancel to this x. Same thing numerator, same thing denominator. Both the factors will be cancelled here. Now see what is remaining here. Now it is x square 1 upon x square plus 2, and this will be 1. So 2 multiplied by 1 is 2 1 is 2. That is equal to 64. Now this plus 2 will be transposed to which side? It will be transposed to right hand side. Now see, x square plus 1 upon x square will be kept where? Left hand side, and 2 will go to right hand side, and you know the rules of transposing. If positive is here plus 2, so that side it will become minus 2. It will be x square plus 1 upon x square equal to what is there? 64, and this plus 2 will go minus 2, so this will be 64 minus 2. If you subtract 2 from 64, so that will be equal to 62. In this way, we can calculate the value of x square plus 1 upon x square. By taking second equation, the same value can be calculated there. See how is it? From second we have, what is second? X minus 1 upon x equals minus 2 root 15. See, x minus 1 upon x equals minus 2 root 15. Now squaring both the sides. This one is x minus 1 upon x whole square equal to minus 2 under root 15 whole square. This one is square of left hand side, and this one is square of right hand side. If left hand side is taken square form, so right hand side will also be taken square form. Now again this one is binomial, so a minus b whole square. So a square means x square plus b square means 1 upon x square minus twice into x into 1 upon x. Now see what will be there. If you simplify this, twice into x into 1 upon x, both will be cancelled here because same factor numerator and same in denominator. Now after simplifying, if you simplify square of minus 2 root 15, the square of minus sign will become plus, the square of 2 will be 4, and square of root 15 will be 15. So 15 4 ja 60, and this minus sign will become positive sign. So what will be there? It will be equal to plus 60. You may observe why is it plus 60 here. Square of negative is also positive, and square of positive is also positive. You know, you have studied in previous classes. So x square plus 1 upon x square minus 2 equals 60. This implies this minus 2 will be transposed there. So x square plus 1 upon x square equals 60, and this minus 2 will go in form of plus 2. So 60 plus 2 equals 62. So this x square plus 1 upon x square can be calculated by taking x minus 1 upon x, or you can take x plus 1 upon x. Still you can find the value of x square plus 1 upon x square. By the both process, the value will be same. See, x square plus 1 upon x square is equal to 62, and by this process also x square plus 1 upon x square equals 62. Anyway, if it is solved, so the value will come 62. So either solve by this one or solve by this one. Both method will not be accepted. You have to adopt either this method or that method. It depends upon you which one is convenient for you. Either x plus 1 upon x equals 8 is convenient for you, or x minus 1 upon x is convenient for you. Both can be taken, but you have to adopt only one, either first one or second one. Students, we can solve other type of questions also on the basis of given information. We can solve likewise other types of questions also. What was given previously? It was given only the value of x. Now further we can calculate the value of x square minus 1 upon x square. Again, what will be the value of x to the power 4 minus 1 upon x to the power 4? Again we have to calculate the value of x to the power 4 plus 1 upon x to the power 4. Systematically, as the process is adopted previously, by the same process we can solve other. Let us see how can we solve other parts. See, firstly it is given here, we have to calculate the value of x square minus 1 upon x square. So it is the square of x minus this one is square of 1 upon x whole square. Now this one is in the form of a square minus b square. What is a square minus b square? In a bracket it will be a plus b. In second bracket it will be a minus b. A plus b means x plus 1 upon x. Without power both will be added here, and without power it will be in the form of subtraction. Same thing plus, same thing minus. Now this one equals x square minus 1 upon x square equals in a bracket x plus 1 upon x, and in second bracket it is x minus 1 upon x. And previously we have calculated the value of x plus 1 upon x. We have already calculated, and we have already calculated the same of x minus 1 upon x. In the place of x plus 1 upon x, we have to put the value of x plus 1 upon x, and in the place of x minus 1 upon x, the value of x minus 1 upon x will be kept here. If you recollect, so the value of x plus 1 upon x is 8, and we have calculated the value of x minus 1 upon x, and that is minus 2 under root 15. Since this one is minus, and minus quantity is always kept inside the bracket, especially in multiplication. We don't forget to put inside the bracket. So keep in mind. Now this one becomes what? 8 will be multiplied into 2, so that will be 16, and this root 15 is already there, so 16 root 15 Now we have to decide whether it is positive or negative. The plus is multiplied into minus. The plus into minus becomes minus here. If unlike sign are multiplied, the result will be minus. Suppose like signs are there, minus into minus or plus into plus, so that will become positive there. If unlike signs are there and both are multiplied, the result will be negative always. So same, positive into negative, both are unlike, the result is negative. Suppose both are negative, suppose, so this will be positive. But one is positive, second one is negative. If both are multiplied, the result is negative here. Now x square minus 1 upon x square becomes minus 16 under root 15. We have calculated, firstly the value of x was given, so we calculated what value of x plus 1 upon x is there. Then we calculated the value of x minus 1 upon x. Then we calculated what value of x square plus 1 upon x square. And here we calculated the value of x square minus 1 upon x square. And that is equal to minus 16 under root 15. In this way, we have calculated different values. Some more questions may be framed there. For example, if it is given, find the value of x to the power 4 minus 1 upon x to the power 4. How can we solve this? This is x to the power 4 is square of x square, and 1 upon x to the power 4 is complete square of 1 upon x square. We may write this. Now total, this one is behaved inside the bracket a, and in second bracket what is there? That will be b. So a square minus b square, and we know the identity. In a bracket it will be a plus b, in second bracket it will be a minus b. Now see, in a bracket it will be x square plus 1 upon x square, in second bracket it will be x square minus 1 upon x square. Now we have calculated previously the value of x square plus 1 upon x square. Secondly, we have calculated the value of x square minus 1 upon x square. In previous steps, we have already calculated. So we have to put the value of x square plus 1 upon x from previous calculation. Similarly, we have to keep the value of x square minus 1 upon x square, which is calculated here. It is minus 16 root 15. In this way, the value of this one is 62 and the value of this one is minus 16 root 15. Now positive into negative is again multiplied, the result will come minus. If you multiply 62 into 16, so that will come 992, and root 15 is already there, so root 15 will be noted down as it is. It means the value of x square minus 1 upon x, x to the power 4 minus 1 upon x to the power 4 is minus 992 root 15. So this will be noted down in a single line. Now we are required, suppose, how to find out value of x square plus 1 upon the value of x to the power 4 plus the value of 1 upon x to the power 4. What to do? We know the value of x square plus 1 upon x square. We also know the value of x square minus 1 upon x square, because we have already calculated. Firstly, take the value of x square plus 1 upon x square. So that value is 62. We have already calculated previously, just before. Now this one is behaved as equation. So squaring both of the sides, squaring left hand side, it will be x square plus 1 upon x square. This will be kept inside the bracket, and square of this one equal to square of right hand side. Right hand side is 62, it will be 62 square. Now this will be behaved just as a plus b whole square. So this means a square, square means square of x square, b square means square of 1 upon x square, plus 2 into x square into 1 upon x square. Now this is x square and this x square will be cancelled here. So what is remaining? X square whole square, 1 upon x square whole square, 2 into 1, that will be 2. Now square of 62, if you calculate 62 into 62, so that will come 3844. What to do? Now we have to simplify this. So this will be square of x square, so that will be power to the power, so that will be multiplication of power, so it will be x to the power 4, again power to the power, so that will be again multiplication of power, so 1 upon x to the power 4, plus 2, because x square and x square both are cancelled, so 2 1 are 2, equal to 3844. Now this 2 will be transposed to that side. Here it is plus form, in that side it will become minus form. If you transpose to right hand side, it will be minus there. So x to the power 4 plus 1 upon x to the power 4 will be in left hand side. 2 is transposed to right hand side, so it will be 3844 and it will be minus 2 here. If you simplify this, 3844 minus 2, it will come 3842. It means what? X to the power 4 plus 1 upon x to the power 4 equals 3842. It is by taking x square plus 1 upon x square equal to 62, and we have calculated by squaring both of the sides x to the power 4 plus 1 upon x to the power 4. Similarly, we can take x square minus 1 upon x square also. The same result will be there. See how is it? X square minus 1 upon x square equals minus 16 under root 15. Now squaring both the sides, squaring up left hand side, it will be x square minus 1 upon x square whole square equal to minus 16 under root 15 whole square. Now this one is a minus b whole square. So a square means x square whole square, b square means 1 upon x square whole square, minus 2 into first term into second term. Now see, this x square will cancel to this x square, and if you find out square of 16, so it will be 256, and multiplied by 15, it will come 3840. If you multiply 16 into 16 into under root 15 into under root 15, so that will come 3840. So you will calculate in rough column. It is your homework. So you will perform in rough column. So ultimately you will get square of this one is 3840. It is your work. You will calculate it. Directly you will not write here. You have to multiply 16 into 16 into under root 15 into under root 15, because square is there. It will be square of 16 and it will be square of under root 15 also. The square of 16 is 16 into 16 and square of under root 15 is 15, and square of minus will become plus, because minus into minus become plus. That's why positive sign is here. It will be 3840. Now see, square of x square, so multiplication of power, it will be x to the power 4. Same thing here, multiplication of power, so 1 upon x to the power 4 minus 2 1 ja 2, because x square is cancelled by x square, so minus 2 equals 3840, 3840. Now what to do? We have to transpose this minus to that side, right hand side. If it is here minus, to right hand side, when it is transposed, it will become plus 2. Therefore, x to the power 4 plus 1 upon x to the power 4 will be noted down where? In left hand side, equal to 3840, and minus 2 becomes plus 2, plus 2. This, after simplification, what will come? X to the power 4 plus 1 upon x to the power 4 equals 3840 plus 2 equals 3842. So either taking x square minus 1 upon x square, you can calculate x to the power 4 plus 1 upon x to the power 4, or you can take x square plus 1 upon x square equals 62. By the same process, you can also get the same value. Two methods are given here, either by this way or by that way. Any way, either select the first method or select second method. Both the methods will not be adopted because it is the wastage of time. You are required only to find out x square plus 1 upon x to the power 4, x to the power 4 plus 1 upon x to the power 4. What value is there? So it is giving here. So no need to simplify this. It is a second method. Some students may solve by taking x square plus 1 upon x square, and some may take x to the power x square minus 1 upon x to the power to calculate the value of x to the power 4 plus 1 upon x to the power 4. Both the processes are there. So you will adopt only one method. Similarly, we can simplify other things also. By this process, we can calculate the value of x to the power 8 plus 1 upon x to the power 8, or the value of x to the power 8 minus 1 upon x to the power 8. The same process will be adopted as we have adopted here. By adopting same, squaring both the sides, and the formula of x plus y, x minus y, we can simplify and find out continuously, step by step, and we can solve other parts also. I hope you will understand and you will solve. It is the homework to find out what value of x to the power 8 plus 1 upon x to the power 8 is there. Similarly, you will also find what value of x to the power 8 minus 1 upon x to the power 8. So this one is a kind of homework. You will calculate, find the value of x to the power 8 plus 1 upon x to the power 8. What value is there? Similarly, you will find out x to the power 8 minus 1 upon x to the power 8 equals what? These two parts are given as homework. You will solve by the same process as we have done here. There would not be any change. Here two different methods are there. You will adopt by either by this method or by that method. In previous one also we have explained by two methods. You will adopt only one method. By this way we can solve such type of questions, whether it is given in RS or it is given in RD or it is given in other sample papers. I think it will be convenient for you to apply this method in solving such types of questions. Thank you. Have a nice day.